All right, on this one, we have John eats 3/5 of a candy bar. What percent of the candy bar does he eat? We're going to want to look at keywords. So the first thing is, how do we make a fraction a percent or a decimal? Those are the birds in the back. I'm outside right now. And that's a car passing by. So the first thing you want to do is move down 3/5. How to find the decimal? You're going to go top in, bottom out. What that means is this is on top. So we're going to put that inside a casita. Let's just say this is a house. Bottom out means this is going to be outside. So the one thing we want to do is, can 5 go into 3? No, because 5 is bigger than 3. So whatever you want to put, if you want to put an X, you want to put a 0, preferably an X would be better so you don't get mixed up in the future. Now the 3 has nothing else behind it, so we're going to add a little dot, a little dot. This simply means it's the decimal. Now we're going to add a 0. Can 5 go into 30? If so, how many times? 5 times 6 is going to be 30. So you have 0.6. How do we make that a percentage? What I always like to tell my kids is the fact that you look at the percent sign, you have your 0, and the line in the middle is a 1. So I recommend to multiply it by 100. So 100 times 0.6. Can 6 go into 0? Or 6 times 0? 0. 6 times 0? 0. 6 times 1? 6. If you notice, you only have one number behind the decimal. So we're going to start from the right here, and we're just going to move one time to the left. So we're going to go 1. Now you're at 60. Let's move all of this to this side. And now, which one out of these 4 is 60%? It's going to be this. If you want to make it a little bit easier, really just depends on what you find better. You can do this. You have 5 pieces, right? So let's do a whole chocolate bar here. 1, 2, then that's 3, 4, and let's just cut a little piece here. So now you have 1 piece, 2 piece, 3, 4, and 5. You ate 3 of it. So you ate all of this, and all of this. And this is better for visually seeing what you ate. If this helps the students more, this is a better way to do it. And then moving over to everything else that we went here. So answer is going to be B. And be sure to remember this other part. Does he eat? If it says, does he not, that's the key word, not eat, then it would be changed around. Luckily, there is no 40% here, because that would be the percentage. And we have 6, we have 30, we have 35, and we have 60. Can't close this.